Join me as I try to set up the Divoom Times Gate Cyberpunk digital clock and see if I can master all its futuristic features in just 1 hour. The Divoom Times Gate Cyberpunk digital clock is something I've been eyeing for a while now, with its sleek design that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This clock is not just any ordinary time-telling device, it's a statement piece that screams cyberpunk. Its unique aesthetic is definitely a conversation starter, and I love how it combines form and function. Keeping time in a way that's visually appealing while incorporating modern technology into home decor can be a challenge. Traditional clocks can be boring, and let's face it, they don't really add much to your home's ambience. You've got smart home devices and gadgets that make life easier, but when it comes to telling time, we still rely on pretty basic clocks. I mean, think about it, most clocks are just there to tell you the time, they don't really contribute to the overall vibe of your space. That's where the Divoom Times Gate comes in, aiming to change the game. The Divoom Times Gate offers a customizable display, which I think is a major win. You can tweak it to fit your style or room decor, and it also comes with connectivity options that I believe will make it a central part of your smart home setup. What I love about it is how it fits seamlessly into the cyberpunk aesthetic. It's all about futuristic vibes, and this clock delivers. Its design and features make it more than just a clock, it's a piece of tech that you can show off. One of the standout features of the Divoom Times Gate is its ability to sync with smart devices. Imagine having your clock automatically adjust based on your phone or having it sync with your calendar for reminders. It's little features like these that make life easier. The interactive elements also add a fun layer to it. It's not just a passive device. You can engage with it, play around with the settings, and really make it your own. This clock elevates the concept of a traditional clock by integrating modern tech in a way that's both useful and visually appealing. To sum it up, the Divoom Times Gate Cyberpunk digital clock is a futuristic take on timekeeping that doesn't compromise on style. It blends functionality with a unique aesthetic that's sure to catch your eye. Whether you're into cyberpunk decor or just looking for a smart clock that keeps up with the times, this device prepares us for the future of timekeeping in a really exciting way. If you're as intrigued by the Divoom Times Gate as I am, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you're on the hunt for more innovative gadgets and tech reviews, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got plenty of content that you might enjoy. Divoom Times Gate Cyberpunk digital clock, smart app control, Wi-Fi connectivity, RGB LED display, customizable dashboard and pixel art for gaming room and office decor. Divoom Times Gate, futuristic desk accessory. Elevate your workspace with the Divoom Times Gate, a stunning digital clock design with a cyberpunk aesthetic. Its sleek and tech-savvy look adds a unique flair to any desktop setup. Vibrant game room decor. Transform your gaming space with the Times Gate's 5-sided HD IPS screen featuring 45 bright RGB light beads. Choose from 12 dynamic light effects to create a visually captivating atmosphere that brings your gaming room to life. Smart Life Assistant. Stay organized and informed with our smart app. The Times Gate tracks real-time data such as world time, weather updates, and stock market trends. Use it to plan your day and boost your productivity at work. Customizable displays. Personalize your experience with a variety of built-in digital clock faces. You can also upload your own pictures or videos to the 5-inch HD display, making it a truly unique addition to your desktop. Ideal gift for gamers and tech lovers. Looking for the perfect gift? The Times Gate is an excellent choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. Its stylish design and innovative features make it a standout addition to any desk, gaming room, or office space. Privacy-first design. Your privacy matters. Our app is built with a privacy-first approach, ensuring your personal information remains secure. Any data collected, like location for weather updates, is used solely for its intended purpose, keeping your experience safe and confidential.